Now, what does it take to get a starring role in Doctor Who? All you need to do is create your own alien, apparently. Fans are being given the chance to take part in a specially written scene shot on the set of the TARDIS. It'll be broadcast on the final episode of new BBC talent show Tonight's the Night. Well, a little earlier, I spoke to the show's host, John Barrowman, and he told me what the new programme's all about.
It's not just a talent show. We're a show about making dreams come true, giving people their wishes. And this is a big dream prize for someone who might be a fan of Doctor Who, because you get to have a scene written that you're in, and you're in the TARDIS. And not only that, but a lot of surprises, shall we say, in a Tonight's the Night special way will happen during that scene. So, and it's the competition itself is open to 18 and older. So some kids might go, well, that's not, fair to us. The thing is, kids, get out there and get your moms and dads in a costume, get the pictures sent in, and let's see if we can get them involved.
But the key thing about this is there's an alien element, isn't there?
That's right. You have to come up with your own alien element for the prize, and you're going to be judged on that. And funny that, but it doesn't mean you have to go to elaborate makeup extent, and you don't copy aliens that you've already seen. Be creative. I say to the kids, get a roll of toilet paper, make up some kind of alien with the toilet paper, paper bags, a sheet, do it with what do you call it, plasticine, things like that. Be creative and get, your moms and dads or your older brothers and sisters, get them involved and make it a family thing. So lots of people are going to be interested in this. What is it that you're looking for? Well, we are looking for creativity. We're looking for an alien that will stand out. We're also, it might be something, a quirk that the alien has. So basically, we're open at the moment. We are open to basically seeing what comes across, shall we say, the panel that we're looking at to see, because we whittle them all down to 50 and then to 10, and then one person will win. So basically, we're open for any ideas that you guys come up with. Okay, so it's 50, then down to 10. Yes. What tasks are they going to be made to do? Well, that's the thing you have to wait and see, because that's where Tonight's the Night is all the fun is involved, because you don't really know what you're going to have to do. But you will go through an audition process. Andy Pryor, who's the main casting director for Doctor Who and also for Torchwood, will be involved with myself, and we will get to the final 10, and we will see them and we will whittle them down, and we might ask you to give us a few little roars or how your alien would react in certain ways. It's a chance to be on telly. And if you want to apply, you'll have to be quick. The deadline is this Saturday. To find out more, go to bbc.co.uk